shop with me, Glitter Pals. Hi Glitter Pals, come shopping with me and maybe I'll for Halloween stuff for a little bit more, and maybe I'll give you a sneak peek of the Christmas stuff too.
This bad today. I know what I'm not good for that.
I want Freddy's toys. I want Freddy's toys. Wow! Look at this, Glitter Pals. There's all these toys. Look at this, Glitter Pals. Picnic Pops. A huge picnic pop. And wait and see, there's shock things coming on your way. And if you like TYs too, come and get some. For lunch. Look at this, Glitter Pals. Mommy, I'm pirate. My pirate mask. I want to be Meg. I want to be Meg. I want to be Meg. This is when you make a plant friend. So when you put some of the food in, and then you give it some water, and then a surprise of a doll comes out. It's a fingerling. Look at this. Hello, Glitter Pals. Look at the Christmas stuff. Hi Glitter Pals, we're back from shopping. Now let's show you what I got. So first we got a Picnic Pop, 6 surprises in it. We got this LOL hoodie. And we also got a LOL doll and some accessories for our LOL. And we also got some shoes. And a nice glittery handbag. So we got the Picnic Pop thing. It's from tkmaxx. This LOL and accessories kit is from Asda. The shoes, jumper and bag is from Primark. Let's get open into these Picnic Pops. Ooh, our first one. I got a little like cat. I think we got a little kitty cat. I got a little lion. There's one really at the back I can't get. Here it is. Ooh, it's a little elephant. Oh my gosh, I got a rare one! And there's one more inside of here too. I just realised that. Here's another blind bag. And another one. Another one. And another one. Is that it? This. I'm going to see if there's one more blind bag. Yep, that's it. So let's see what we have so far. Okay, this is all I have, and now I'm going to show you what is on the paper so you can see all of them, their names. Let's open the last one from the Picnic Pops. Ooh, I got a little bunny rabbit. Let's place him right here. We got little cards for each and every one. And then an extra one for our little him. A rare one. We got some stickers. And then we got more stickers of a rare one. Oh my god! Look! It's a little keyring! Let's open our LOL. Let's open our LOL accessories. We got 2 little boots. Ooh, a nice bottle. Look at this. The clothes stand. I got Queen Bee! The clothes stand. I got Queen Bee! I've been wanting this one for years. Here's our Queen Bee's outfit. A cell phone. Whoa! It's a little fridge. I think it's a wardrobe, glitter pals. I don't know how it's gonna fit in here. We got a mirror. Look at this mirror, glitter pals. This is the last one, and I think they're hangers for the wardrobe. We get our Queen Bee dress, and then I'll be right back. It's the whole set you get with it, glitter pals. If you enjoyed coming shopping with me and also see my haul, make sure you subscribe, give it a thumbs up, hit that bell ding, and check out my Instagram. Bye!